Hello everyone, I'm Timmy. Come enjoy my colorful adventures with me. I love colors, come play with me. My little bird friend and I will explore colors together. Ready, set, fun. Hihihi, tehi 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 tehi. Red, I love red. Read, happy squeal. Ooh, do you know yellow? This is yellow, sunny yellow, gasp, so bright. Yellow, yellow, yay yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. Let's paint with colors. Red, yellow, blue, we giggles. Colors, colors everywhere. Red, yellow, blue, la la la. What color is the birdie? Blue, gasp, so pretty. Do you know the sun's color? Yellow, gasp, so bright. Colors are so beautiful. Mommy bought me a color box, I love it. I keep my crayons safe, yay. This is yellow, this is green, this is blue, I know my colors. I love colors, thanks mom and dad, I am so happy. Big hug, mama, papa, I love you. Look, I draw sun, yellow, yellow. See, yellow, red, blue, gasp, my favorites. Dip brush in blue, now splash, gasp. Yay, let's sing and play with colors together.
Rainbow colors, 1, 2, 3, spin around just like me. Jump up high, feel so free. Rainbow dancing, can't you see? Rain, clap your hands. Purple, now take a stand. Orange, stop to blow. Let your rhythm start to flow. Rainbow colors, 1, 2, 3, spin around just like me. Jump up high, feel so free. Rainbow dancing, can't you see? Jump up high, feel so free. Rainbow dancing, can't you see? Rainbow colors, 1, 2, 3, spin around just like me. Jump up high, feel so free. Rainbow dancing, can't you see? Rain, clap your hands. Purple, now take a stand. Orange, stop to blow. Let your rhythm start to flow. Rainbow colors, 1, 2, 3, spin around just like me. Jump up high, feel so free. Rainbow dancing, can't you see?